What's good, family? It's your boy, Dr. Kimmons, and we back at it again, part 6 of the college planning series. And tonight, we're going to discuss developing your college list. Before you jump in and start adding colleges to the list, there are a few things that often go overlooked. And I want you to be aware of these things so when you start to look at specific schools, you know exactly what you're looking for. The first thing I want you guys to understand is the difference between public and private colleges. Now, most people assume that a public college is going to be cheaper than a private college. However, there's a young lady that I work with from Texas, and it was cheaper to go to school to a private school in California. Why, you ask? Because that private school had more scholarships to offer her. So it made her tuition a lot cheaper than staying in state and going to school in Texas. The next thing I want you guys to consider is the size of the college, all right? Some colleges are smaller than high schools, while other colleges are very, very large, okay? Some colleges have classes with 5 to 10 people. That's it, right? The professor knows everybody. But other colleges have class with hundreds of students. Professor don't know nobody. So I want you to get a feel for the different sizes of the different colleges so you'll know what you're comfortable with. I want you guys to be aware of the location, more specifically, the distance away from home and the weather. Now, the distance is often overlooked, but it's self-explanatory. How comfortable are you being away from home? What's that level like? Is that a 2 to 3 hour car ride? Is that a 2 to 3 hour plane ride? You have to determine what's your comfort level when it comes to distance. And likewise, the weather, something that's always overlooked. What are you comfortable with? Do you want to see all 4 seasons? Do you want to be in a state that has, extremely cold winters? Or do you want to be somewhere where the winters are not as cold, but the summers are excruciating, right? For me, I went to school in the South. I can't do the cold. It's not that I love cold weather or I love warm weather. It's the fact that I hate the cold weather. So I would rather deal with extreme heats as opposed to extreme colds. What's your comfort level? So think about those things when you're building a college list. That's it for tonight. Get back at us next week. We're going to be back at it again. Appreciate you.